Hi guys, today we are making creamy butter chicken, also known as chicken makhani. So let's get right into the recipe. I'm going to start off with a medium-sized bowl, and into this I'm going to add in 1/4 cup plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and optional red food coloring if you prefer a richer red color, although personally I don't think it's necessary. This is going to be a marinade, so mix it well. And now to this, we're going to add in 2 pounds of cubed boneless chicken breast. Now you can use boneless thighs. You can also use boned curry pieces if that is your preference. We're going to coat the chicken in the marinade and leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now in a skillet, I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to fry my chicken on medium-high heat for about 8 to 9 minutes. Once the juices of the chicken have dried out, you know it's ready, and we're going to remove it from the heat and keep it aside. Now we're going to bring the flame down to a medium heat, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons butter and melt that. Once it's melted, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste, and we're going to fry this for another minute. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and we're going to fry this for 2 minutes. Make sure you're consistently stirring your spoon because you don't want the mixture to stick to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so after a couple of minutes, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of tomato puree. And once I've added the tomato puree, I'm also going to bring the heat down to a medium-low. And to this, I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and 2 green cardamom pods. We're going to continue to cook this on a medium-low for a couple of minutes. And then we're going to add in our cooked chicken. Also add in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm going to cover the mixture and continue to cook on medium-low heat for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, I'm going to add in just another tablespoon of butter. This is optional, but it does add a nice buttery flavor overall. Okay, so here I actually got distracted by my kids and I ended up leaving this mixture on the stove for about 15 minutes instead of 5, and I'm kind of glad this happened. I decided not to edit it out and redo the video because I wanted to show you what can happen if you have the heat either too high or you leave it on the stove for longer than the 5 minutes that I'm recommending here. The cream will start to curdle, and you can see here it is slightly curdled. It's not too bad, and it will not affect the taste of the butter chicken, so this is still easily enjoyable. We're still going to eat it, but that smooth silky texture that you're looking for from a butter chicken, you're going to lose that. So be very mindful of the temperature and the time that you have this on the stove. And like I said, I'm actually kind of glad this happened today, so I was able to show you. But anyhow, moving on, we're going to add in a couple of pinches of dried methi, and if you'd like, you could add in some coriander. And now this is also optional. I always like to add in about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of hot water at the end to create a little bit more gravy, because my kids don't eat the actual chicken, they eat the gravy. So this gives me a little bit more and it thins out that thickness, but you don't have to. This is, like I said, completely optional. And here you have our delicious, rich butter chicken. Top it off with a little bit of cream, a little bit more fresh coriander. This can be enjoyed with rice or like me, anyone who knows me knows I'm not a fan of rice. I'm a huge fan of naan and roti. So you can see here, I'm going to be eating it with my naan. So please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my recipes. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, comment, because I always love to hear from you. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.